Okay, drop test. We had to delete the other video because there were some technical difficulties with the lighting. It was horrible. So now we're dropping it off the balcony onto the cement. Probably gonna be a short video.
Ready, set.
Oh! There's the phone.
Let's go get it.
Let's go get it. Dang. Okay.
The only thing that really fell out is the battery.
The only thing I fell out was the battery.
Let's test this.
I think you need to put the cover on. Oh! It still works. I thought it split into like 3 pieces, like the screen came off.
We need to do a better job.
Like just slam it down, like actually just throw it down.
That's what we're gonna do. All right. Hey guys.
You should just jump off here and slam
Here,
it.
I gotta go. Yeah.
Hit it with a hammer.
Now, this is slam test number 1.
Onto where? Like that cement? Okay, go. The battery fell out, nothing else. Okay. How does this thing stay alive?
I think it's okay.
Just has minor scruff. Oh my gosh.
I don't want it to like blow up, but
I have an idea. I swear I won't like.
riveting.
Yeah, hold it.
Gone.
I swear I won't like
What are you gonna do?
throw it against the wall.
All right. This is what we're gonna do.
It's a flip phone. We don't really need it. It was like $20.
Oh, we locked stuff out.
Oh.
All right, I already know it. We're gonna climb a tree and we're gonna throw it. We're gonna slam throw. Minor scuffs. So there's a tree down here. We'll catch you then.
That was part. So we're out here in the desert, as you can see, because there's trees in the desert. No, we're in the neighborhood, but he's up there in the tree,
Climbing my neighbor's tree, actually.
climbing his neighbor's tree, and we're gonna try and break that phone off there.
All right. Hey, JP, you wanna come around here?
Yeah, I'm coming around here. Okay, we're doing the LG drop test, part 2.
Am I pretty high?
Yeah, you're pretty high.
Alright. Drop test. 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Minor damage, just the battery fell out.
Thanks, JP, for that.
You're welcome. Well, it has a camera on it.
Yeah.
That's like the only thing you could use. God dang it. Oh, there it goes. Oh gee, it just has a little scuff right there. You can see that. Really? You can fall from that.
I don't want to.
I know, but you can. Okay, I am going to test it.
Alright, so.
Where's the power button?
Wanna check it out?
Oh, it says power right there. Let's see. Definitely still works, yeah.
This is how I close it. Tutorial 101.
Throws it up. Okay.
Alright,
Should that be the end of the series, or should we actually just...
we're gonna do more drop tests probably. I don't know. I don't have that much money right now to actually buy material. I have an iPhone 5S if y'all really want me to do it.
That's the thing that we're recording with right now.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it.
I mean, we might do a Swagway drop test.
Why would we do a Swagway drop test?
Hey, Swagways are the bomb, y'all.
Swagways are
Go check them out. We'll leave a link in the description for Amazon or something.
They're so cool.
All
There's
right.
a video on JP Casey's channel about Swagways. That's my channel. We're both in it, so
I mean, and
it's pretty dope.
if I should get a,
It was my second time going on it, so don't blame me for being a noob.
so, and comment if I should get a YouTube channel. I'm thinking about
This
getting
is
one
going
tonight.
up on your channel.
Never mind, guys. All right. See ya. But there will be more to the series, hopefully. I'm not broke. All right.
Bye.
Bye.